Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson algebraic expressions and we were in the worksheet 4. Is it worksheet 4? Yes, worksheet 4, question number 2 and a fifth sum, subdivision. Okay, it is a p squared q squared, isn't it? P squared plus q squared. We shall start continuing. P squared bracket open PQ plus QR. Hope everyone is understanding now. You got the method, isn't it? Now Q squared into this full. Now third is R squared bracket open PQ plus QR. Okay. Now P squared P means P 3 times, that is why P cube and Q plus P squared, then here P is not there, so QR plus here P only one time, Q 2 and 1, that is 3, plus Q 2 times and 1, that is 3. Then R, now plus P only one time, Q one time, R squared, plus P is not there, Q, R squared and R means R 3 times, R cube. Is there any common? No. P cube Q plus P squared QR plus PQ cube plus Q cube R plus PQR squared plus QR cube. This is the final answer. Now coming to verification. Verification is only tough, isn't it? P is equal to 2. Q is equal to minus 3 and R is equal to 1. Okay, write down the question. P squared plus Q squared plus R squared. The main question. Then PQ plus QR. Now put the values. It is, sorry, I have not written LHS. Okay, that is a P squared, that is 2 squared plus Q squared minus 3 squared, R is 1 squared, bracket close. Now again square bracket open, PQ means 2 into minus 3 plus QR means minus 3 into 1. Okay. Now find the values. 2 square is 2 2s are 4 plus minus का square मतलब it becomes positive. 3 3s are 9. Now 1 squared is 1. Then here it becomes 2 3s are 6, but the sign is minus 6. Now here 3 1s are 3, but it is minus. So plus of minus is minus 3. Is it clear? Now 4 plus 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 4 14 into minus 6 minus 9. Minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. Now answer will be minus 9 6 9 4s are 36, 9 1s are 9, 10, 11, 12. So 14 9s are is 126, but the sign is minus. Now RHS, very big, write it down. It is a P cube Q plus P squared QR plus, from here you have to write P cube Q plus P squared QR plus P Q cube plus q cube r plus p q r squared plus q r cube. Please, while copying, take care. So again check p cube q plus p squared qr plus p q cube plus q cube r plus p q r squared plus q r cube. Now put the values. Now it is a p is 2 cube into 2 cube into q is minus 3. Now in between is plus p squared, that is 2 squared into q is minus 3 into r is plus 1, not minus, plus 1. Okay, this one over. Now the third one, plus bracket open, p is 2 into q is minus 3 cube. So we have finished this. Now here it is q is minus 3 cube into r is 1. Now again pqr square, p is 2, q is minus 3, r squared is 1 squared plus q is minus 3 and r cube, that is 1 cube. Okay. Now find the value. It is a 2 cube is how much? 8 into minus 3. 8 into minus 3. Now it is plus. Here 2 square, that is 4 into minus 3 into 1. Next 2 into minus 3 cube. माइनस का क्यूब माइनस ही रहेगा. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 plus again it is a माइनस का क्यूब माइनस है. 3 cube is 27 into 1. Now plus it is 2 into minus 3 into 1 plus minus 3 into 1. क्यूब स्क्वायर का सब वैल्यू निकाल के लिखो. Now plus minus minus 8 3s are 24. Now plus and here it is minus one time, so this together it will be minus plus minus minus 4 3s are 12. Now here plus minus minus and plus means minus, isn't it? Now 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Here again it will be minus 27. Now here 1 minus means full, it will be minus, and this is plus means minus. 2 3s are 6. Now here plus of minus minus 3. Now all are negative, so add and put the sign minus. So it becomes 4 plus 2 6 plus 4 10 plus 7 17 plus 3 20 plus 6 26. 2 3 4 9 10 11 12. So that is a minus 126. So LHS same, isn't it? LHS is equal to RHS, hence verify. Hope everyone understood. The RHS is little bit bigger, so write in a 2 steps. 2 लाइन में अलग अलग करके लिखते जाओ। केयरफुल रहो, क्लियर लिखो, ठीक है। नाउ कमिंग टू द 6th sum. In that same 6th sum, it is a fraction. So you should be a little bit careful now. So it is a 5 by 4 x square bracket open. It is a x plus y squared bracket close minus the second term is 3 by 2 xy bracket open x plus y squared. Okay. Now when you multiply here no number, so it will be the same 5 by 4 x square and 1, matlab 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus number is not there, same 5 by 4 and here it is x squared and here it is y. Again 5 by 4 x squared and here it is y squared. Now minus of plus means minus. Here also no number, 3 by 2 x 1 and 1, that is why 2. Then y 1 time. Now minus plus is minus. Again 3 by 2 x only 1 time but y 2 times. Isn't it? Y plus y into y. Now coming to the third, that is minus plus becomes minus 3 by 2 as it is, x only 1 time, y 1 time and here 2 times, that is y cube. Okay. So you see any cutting is there, it is a 5 by 4 x cube, nothing is there, right? 5 by 4 x cube. Now x squared y, here x squared y is there, here x squared y is there, isn't it? So it is a plus and minus, means you have to subtract. So the numbers are 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2. So that means when you take the LCM, how much it will be? It is 4 is the LCM. Here it will be 5 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 3s are 6. So the answer will be how much? Minus 1 by 4. Yes or no? So here it becomes minus 1 by 4 x squared y. Now x squared y squared, nothing is there. So write as it is 5 by 4 x squared y squared. Then x squared y only 1 is there, minus 3 by 2 x squared y. Xy squared already we have solved. Now remaining is 3 by 2 xy cube. This is the final answer. So answer is 5 by 4 x cube minus 1 by 4 x squared y plus 5 by 4 x squared y squared minus 3 by 2 xy 3 by 2 xy squared. See, 3 by 2 xy squared minus 3 by 2 xy cube. See, here I have made the mistake. So please, that is why we say you have to again check. So it was a 3 by 2 xy squared. Okay. X squared y you had solved. Okay, now coming to verification. It is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Now LHS, write the question. 5 by 4 x squared minus 3 by 2 xy within the bracket x plus y square. Okay, put the values. Square bracket 5 by 4 into, it is 2 squared. Negative is not there, so you should be thankful. Okay, this is 1, so bracket, square bracket won't be there. This is a circle bracket. Now circle bracket open, it is, or the round bracket, 3 by 2 into x is 2, y is 2. Now square bracket close. Now again square bracket open, x is 2 plus y is 2 plus y squared is 2 squared. Now find the value. It is a 5 by 4 into 2 square. That is 2 2s are 4 minus this 2 gets cancelled. 3 2s are 6. Now 2 plus 2 plus 2 2s are 4. Now this 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So that is why you will get a, it is 5 minus 6 into 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4, it is 8. That means minus 1 into 8, isn't it? 5 minus 6 is minus 1 into 8. Answer is minus 8. Now coming to the answer, whatever you got, that is the RHS. Answer, what is it? 5 by 4 x cube minus 1 by 4 x squared y plus 5 by 4 x squared y squared minus 3 by 2 xy squared minus 3 by 2 xy cube. Check again. 5 by 4 x cube minus 1 by 4 x squared y plus 5 by 4 x squared y squared minus 3 by 2 xy squared minus 3 by 2 xy cube. Okay, now put the values. It is 5 by 4 into, that is x is 2 cube minus 1 by 4 into x is 2 squared, again y is 2 plus 5 by 4 into x squared is 2 squared, y squared is 2 squared. Now minus 3 by 2 into x is 2, y squared is 2 squared. Are we understanding? So this one. Now the last one. 3 by 2 into x is 2 and y cube, that is 2 cube. इसे हाथ रख के लिखते जाओ. Now 5 by 4 into 2 cube is 8 minus 1 by 4 into 2 square is 4 into 2 plus 5 by 4 into 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4 minus 2 gets cancelled, 3 into 2 square is 4 minus this 2 gets cancelled, that is 3 into 2 cube is 8. Okay. Now 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled. Now 5 twos are 10. Now minus 2, here it is plus 5 fours are 20. Now here minus 3 fours are 12 minus 8 threes are 24. You add the positive ones. It is a 10 plus 20, 30. Negative ones, 4 plus 2, it is a 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. So 30 minus 38 is minus 8. Isn't it? So it is a LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, verified. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood this much. So we have completed the second question also. Okay then, bye. Thank you.